others can see. Yeah. Good afternoon, Valarmati and Juhi Jaiswal. Both of you are going for Federal Bank interview only, so there is no problem about it. And now, Federal Bank. Yeah. Now, we will go to, I told you once, I will ask questions regarding that glossary questions. What about Juhi? What is your main degree?
Sir, MSc.
MSc, which subject?
Sir, mathematics and scientific computing.
Mathematics. Mathematics, I don't know what questions they can ask. It depends on the interviewer, but you know, since these people are all working as managers in Federal Bank, when they come for interview, they don't have time to go through all max and all that. What they do, they ask based on current level questions only. That is how they will be going on. So don't worry about that. Now, but we will discuss some of the glossary terms.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I ask how will they asking current affairs questions? Like, will they ask like, tell me some current affairs that are going on currently?
Yes. All of us must be prepared for questions like, tell me current affairs that you have read. 5. In fact, in some interviews like EPFO, like PFRDAI, SCBI and all, they will say, tell me 5 economic related current affair news. Tell me 5 politics related current affair news. Tell me 5 banking related current affair news. Tell me 5 current affair news relating to your state.
Your state, of course.
So like that. Juhi is from which state?
The UP.
UP. Arey bhai.
Yes, sir.
So many things are happening in UP and UP. Tell me current affair news regarding UP.
Yes, sir. So, a expressway that is named as Ganga Expressway is being constructed, which is covering 12 districts from UP only, and it was said to be done before to 2025, but the government of India is doing it by the end of 2023, as there will be a Kumbh in Prayagraj in 2024 January. So this is one of the current affairs that is going on, and the second one is Ayodhya's Ram temple is being constructed. That will also be done by 2023 end. And sir, there are some killings and encounters in Allahabad only. Like there was a news that came, the mafia turned politician Atiq Ahmed and his brother Ashraf Ahmed were killed recently in Allahabad. And all the 4 shooters, police arrested them.
Good. Now you tell me, Valarmati, current affair news. You want to tell about your, what is that state? Kerala or Tamil Nadu? Yeah, hello, Valarmati.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. I didn't watch current affairs. Not
You-
current affairs news.
You have not read any current affair news?
No, sir. Today I saw a news regarding Karnataka. The election is going. That news only I saw today. Can I tell about that?
Yeah. No, please tell about that.
Today, Karnataka Assembly election poll election poll. Election result announced today.
Announced today or getting announced? What?
Okay, already announced, no, Congress.
Acha, results have come. I have not seen that.
No, Congress isn't leading. If they announced or not, I don't know.
1 minute. Karnataka election Results. Oh, I am not aware of that.
Announced.
Karnataka. Oh, Indian National Congress is leading. Super. Oh. But it's a negative thing for BJP. Yeah, but they should. Of course, there was a lot of problems in Kerala. I mean, Karnataka. So I think mostly it will be Indian National Congress that will form the government. Yeah, because they are leading in 135. No.
35, 135.
Acha. Tell me. Good. This is a good news. Good news in the sense current news. It's a current news. You cannot
But they
avoid it.
didn't announce. But they didn't announce the leader. It may be a female leader.
No, but that it is telling the trend. It is telling
Trained.
the trend. 56 seats they have won. BJP has won only 27 seats. And seats leading Indian National Congress is 79. So that is the news. Yeah, continue.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me some more news regarding this.
Somewhat regarding Karnataka, right, sir?
Yeah.
Other than that,
Okay, doesn't matter. I won't pressurize you. I will ask other questions.
okay.
Valarmati, can you please tell me what do you understand by bouncing of check?
Bouncing of check.
Mm.
If the check is bounced, it may be a lot of reason. It may be a reason something that, no money in the account.
Mm.
It may bounce because of the reasons there is no balance in the account.
Mm.
Other than that, signature. If the drawer of the check did not give a correct signature, or the amount specified, or overwriting, overriding, these things all happened on the check, means the check may bounce.
Good.
Signature.
Now, yeah, Jui, can you
Yes,
please
sir.
tell me what are the points you can tell under the say caption bouncing of a check?
So, sir, a check can be bounced if there are insufficient balance in your account, and also if your signature doesn't match with your previous signature, things like that. And if there are some overwriting or cutting in your when you are writing for a check, so these things.
Yeah, so that's right. In fact, normally bouncing a check, we say when a check is returned for want of funds, it's a critical
Yes, sir,
situation.
insufficient balance.
Whereas in other case, what are the other reasons for which check can be returned? One, the check might not have been signed, or it may have a wrong signature. It may not have been dated, or it is post-dated or ante-dated. What is meant by ante-dated?
Like the date is not mentioned.
No.
You didn't mention the date.
No. Ante-dated. What is ante-dated? Today's date is 13th May 2023. So
They will check with the previous date. Or the date.
Previous date is ante-dated, but supposing a check is dated as 10th May, will it be returned? If there is sufficient funds, signature is correct, will it be returned just because it is dated 10th May?
No, check the validity of the check is 15 days.
No.
So it will not return.
Sorry, no. 3 months. 3 months is the validity date. It's good.
90 days, sorry.
It is good that I asked you. Mr. Gaurav, it is 90 days or 3 months? Gaurav?
Sir. Yes, sir.
It's 3
90
months.
days.
90 days. Oh,
Yes, sir.
not 3 months also. 90 days?
No, 90 days, sir.
Oh, Baba, 90 days. Okay. If it is dated 90 days prior to that, now, for example, if it is going to have a date like, say, then in between our February also comes. So for that also we should take into account. So otherwise, normally, if it is a month, I will say, if the check is dated 12th February, now we cannot honor it. 12th February 2023, that check will not be honored today because it has become a stale check, anti-dated and also stale check. Could you follow? Both of you could follow Juhi and Valarmati.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Next question to Juhi. Please tell me, what do you understand by check truncation?
So,
I mean, these things and all we know the concept, but explaining is really tough because unless you have been practicing it, it is difficult to explain. Check truncation.
sir, it is the process of clearing checks electronically.
Super. Excellent. What about Valarmati? Can you try? Tell it in different ways. What is check truncation?
Check clearance that involves digitization.
Hmm.
Clearance of check using digitization.
Clearance of check. I mean, check truncation, how we can differentiate is that earlier the checks were sent to the paying branch, whereas nowadays it is only the image is sent. This process of taking an image of the check and sending it to the paying branch is known as check truncation. Good. Now, next question for our Valarmati.
Yes, sir.
Can you please talk to me something on electronic commerce?
Electronic commerce. E-commerce.
Yeah.
E-commerce. E-commerce is an online platform uh, that helps to do our transactions by purchasing that that helps to purchase things online, and we can do a transaction also in online by using various payment methods like Gpay, phone pay, Google Pay, etc. There are a lot of e-commerce websites like Flipkart and Amazon, ICO, etc., etc. Most of the people, almost 90% of the people are using the e-commerce sites to buying things. Buying things includes kitchen essentials, clothes, um, electronic items. Everything we can buy from online. The items what we purchased online come to our doorstep. That is helpful for all the helpful for all the women's. It is easy for them to purchase things, not to go outside to purchase things. um Not to go out to purchase things. Everything will come to our doorstep. That helps that is our time. uh, the e-commerce helps to manage your time consumption also, but it takes time to deliver items. If you're going to shop means we can immediately buy the things and come, but not like that in e-commerce. It will take some delivery times, and nowadays they are charging delivery charges also. um uh, we can buy our things from direct manufacturers, so we can get our items in low cost. But we cannot able to touch and feel the item. If you are going for shop means we can touch and feel the items. What are the materials that suits for us, we can purchase. E-commerce is a boon to our mankind.
Juhi,
Yes, sir.
come on, quick. Come on. Kya hua?
Yes. I have to tell about e-commerce only.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, e-commerce
Okay, so
website.
okay. You don't have to tell. I will show you. I will ask you to read that. Please read. But one thing, Valarmati, I
Sir.
found your answers were very lengthy.
Sir, just
Okay,
a
sir.
small correction. Actually, I think it's only 3 months only, not 90 days.
Now only 3 months. Now. So thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks for correcting. And Valarmati,
Yes, sir.
see, your interview is going to be for maximum 10 to 12 minutes. And you must create an excellent impression in their minds. You should
Okay.
talk briefly, concisely, and to the point. Now,
Sure.
I would
Sure.
request our what is that Jui to read this, but not that entire thing has to be told in an interview. From and out of this, 50% of it is sufficient if you say, and that too briefly. Juhi, please read.
Yes, sir. E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, refers to buying and selling goods and services online. It involves a range of activities including online shopping, electronic payments, online auction, and internet banking. Here are some key details about e-commerce. First one is history. E-commerce has been around for more than 20 years, with the first online sale taking place in 1994. Since then, e-commerce has grown rapidly and become a huge industry, with global e-commerce sales expected to reach $6.54 trillion by 2022. Types. There are several types of e-commerce, including business to consumers (B2C), business to business (B2B), consumer to consumer. Sir, sorry for the interruption. Actually, I'm in a class and there are several.
Acha, you are in a
Yes,
class.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, then,
Actually, I'm attending from a class and guard sir has given.
acha, no problem. You don't have to read. I will ask Valarmati
Sir,
to
can
read.
I read?
No,
Okay, sir.
Valarmati read.
From types or history?
Types.
Yeah. There are several types of e-commerce, including business to consumer, consumer to consumer, and consumer to business. Each type has its own characteristics and target audience. Platforms. Sir, scroll down, please. Sir, can you scroll down?
Correct now. Oh, you want me to slow down? Yeah, like this. Now it is okay.
Platforms. Platform is not visible.
Now,
Only the history and types.
what are you able to see?
History and types only.
History. Oh, now.
Now all the same thing is on the screen.
Oh, I think there is something wrong. 1 minute. I am resharing it. Otherwise, I will read it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now I can able to see,
Yeah,
sir.
please read.
Platforms. E-commerce can be conducted on various platforms, including websites, mobile apps, social media, and marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay. Payment. E-commerce transaction can be paid for using various electronic payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, and online banking. Security. E-commerce transactions must be secured to protect customer information and prevent fraud. This is typically done through SSL encryption, secure payment gateways, and two-factor authentication. Logistics. E-commerce businesses must manage logistics and shipping to get products to customers. This involves working with carriers, tracking shipments, and managing inventory. Challenges. E-commerce businesses face various challenges, including competition, customer acquisition, managing inventory, and maintaining a secure and reliable website. Overall, e-commerce has revolutionized the way people buy and sell goods services, and it's continued to grow and evolve rapidly.
Good. So this is nice, but this much we cannot be speaking in an interview. Understand? This much need not be told. Now let
Sir,
me.
I wanted to ask one question.
Yeah.
So, if when we will be talking about federal bank, we have to mention all of not all, but some things about like Q4 results and then CSR responsibility and everything. So it will be like it will take time up to 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Will it also be lengthy?
No, actually, no. If you are talking something very relevant, then there is no problem. For example, when you come to Federal Bank website, what are the things you can tell? Number one, when was it started? Only mentioning who was responsible for it. Then who is the present MD and CEO? Who is the chairman now? Thereafter, you will tell that the Federal Bank has got 1 crore 60 lakhs happy customers. They have 1,300 plus branches. They have 1,300 plus ATMs. They have 500 plus, what is that? Money
The cash recycler.
cash recyclers. Good. You can tell those points. And after that, you will tell in the Federal Bank is a universal bank carrying out all types of banking transactions like accepting deposits, making advances, sending remittances, doing foreign exchange transactions, and doing wealth management services, bank assurance services, mutual funds collection services also. This is briefly. And then the next point is you can tell that Federal Bank's performance results for the date of 31st March has come out. It has showed a profit of 903 crores. This has registered 67% increase over the last year figure. Then its deposits now is around 2,13,000 crores and advances are some 1,77,000 crores. Total business position is this much. Our Federal Bank has been, the GNPA percentage is this much and the net NPA percentage is this much. And its cash reserves ratio is this much. And Federal Bank has been performing very well in the matter of digitalization, that it was considered to be the first bank that introduced the core banking in all its branches in, I'm not sure in South India or among private sector banks. You please get to know that point. And then you can also state these are the awards they have received, and they are also participating in the following CSR activities, like providing school bus, then say scholarships, then hospital, and certain other things, whatever you are able to see. So these facilities are also they are giving that much. If you say that much, that is more than sufficient. If at all, next question they will ask you is, please tell us about 2 products of our bank. It can be deposit products or advance products. So I
sir, in
suggest,
deposit product, yes, sir.
in the case of deposit products, you can tell about, say, 1 or 2 of their savings bank, specialized savings bank accounts, their details, features and benefits, rate of interest 3.05%. Similarly, in the case of advances, you can choose, say, auto loan or gold loan or housing loan. You read about that fully so that you can speak about it. Invariably, they will ask you to sell a product like cell phone or pen or water bottle, or sometimes in 1 or 2 interviews, they have told, please sell this door, DOOR. In an interview hall, they ask the people to sell the door. So anything they can ask, in which case you should highlight the plus point of your product and compare it with others and tell the concessions you can offer to the buyer and then arrange for selling the product. Okay. Yeah. How come you are
Sir.
able to speak from within the class?
So actually, teacher is not here. We had class, but now it's over. So I attended from here on.
Very good, very good. No problem. Very good. Nice. I'm happy you are taking so much interest. Which date is your interview?
The 19th May.
You have a lot of time. No problem. I am going to ask a question, which is, I think you may not be familiar with. What do you understand by factoring?
So,
Juhi.
yes, sir. Sir, factoring, I'm not aware in banking, but I'm aware in mathematics. What is factoring?
अच्छा बोलो, मैथमेटिक्स में क्या फैक्टरिंग है?
So, sir, if you have given any integer or any number, then you can find its factor, like which two integers we can multiply and then get that number. Like that numbers are called its factors.
So what is India time now?
So 3:48.
Acha, okay. Good. Factoring you can explain still better way, For example, for the number 6, 3 and 2 are the factors, something like
Yes,
that.
sir, I can. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And what is Ramanujan number?
Sir, it's 1729.
I think I asked you once. Good.
Yes.
This factoring is business of buying trade debts at a discount and making a profit when the debt is realized, and also taking over collection of trade debts at agreed prices. It is there from the website of our Federal Bank only. Factoring. Could you see this?
Yes, sir.
This is factoring. Gaurav, would you like to tell us some more points regarding factoring, advanced level?
He is not here.
He is not there. Then no problem. Next question is, can you tell me what is a guarantee? Valarmati, are you there?
Yes, sir. Guarantee means giving security for something from a human resource.
Jui, can you explain?
Sir, so a bank guarantees a promise by a lending institution to cover a loss if a business transaction does not unfold as planned.
Yeah. Who is the other person available? Mr. Redmi. Redmi 9, what is your name? Redmi 9, what is your name?
My name is Atreya. I have registered for IDBI interview tomorrow.
Oh, excellent. IDBI.
I have only attended this lecture because one link is sent to me.
I only wanted you to come and see how it is to answer in the interview. Purposely, I called you. In fact, you can stay for the next class also if you are interested, where that will be at advanced level for central bank scale 3 level. If you are interested, otherwise you can go and start reading your materials. Now, Atreya, you are from which state?
I am from Maharashtra, Pune.
What is your degree?
MCom, post graduation in commerce.
Very good. So what do you understand by balance sheet?
It is a asset and it is the statement of asset and liabilities. From the balance sheet, we can
Okay, you are not prepared. You are not prepared. You get ready. Tomorrow I will ask you. No problem.
Sir, the sheet that is given in quarter 4 result is known as balance sheet. That is balance sheet.
Balance sheet is a statement of assets and liabilities of a company as on a particular date. Pakka definition is this. Like that, you should be able to explain. Juhi, for you commerce people, they will not ask. And Valarmati also engineer, so they will not ask. Sometimes they do ask, yeah. For engineering graduates also, they are asking what is balance sheet, what is current asset ratio, what is guarantee, what is that depreciation, what is patents and rights. This type of questions they do ask those people also. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Now,
sir, depreciation means?
Depreciation means, say, the reduction in value of goods over a length of time for its usage. For example, if we buy a car for 10 lakhs rupees, every year we will be writing off 1 lakh rupees from our account. That is, we will be debiting our expenditure and crediting the vehicle account. That is because after the lapse of the time, the vehicle will not be valuable to an extent that we bought it. And there are two types of depreciation. One is straight line method, where every year same percentage of the on the cost is being reduced. Another is reducing balance method. That is where the reduction is done based on the reduced balance. For example, when we buy a car for 10 lakhs, in the first year, it will be reduced by 1 lakh. In the second year, now the balance is only 9 lakhs. So only 90,000 will be reduced. And the third year, only 10% of 8 lakhs 10,000, that is 81,000 only will be reduced. So this is known as reducing balance method. So likewise, this will be more detailed asked for commerce students and MCOM and finance students. Now, the favorite question can be, Juhi, why should I select you?
Okay, sir. So I have a great communication skill. Also, I'm a quick learner, and like we have to directly deal with end customers. So this is a very required strength. That is communication skills. Also, I'm honest. As in banking, we have to deal with finances. So it is also a very important quality. And I am deterministic, optimistic, and also I'm a problem solver. I have a leadership skills also. I have been mess manager in my hostel, and I have mathematical and analytical skills also, and I have developed interpersonal skills while working as a mess manager in my hostel. So these are my plus points.
Very good. Now, can you tell me, Valarmati, why should I select you as an officer of our federal bank?
Okay. I have the potential to work efficiently, and I I will manage all the situations, and I will solve the issues happens, and I'm flexible with the environment. I can easily mingle with people, so it will help. So it helps for do a work in a group. A group. I'm ready to learning new things. I will solve the issues as soon as I have the capacity to solve the issues as soon as possible. I have a good skills. That's it.
Confidence level. Are you satisfied with that, Valarmati?
No, sir, I am not satisfied.
Good. You should improve. No problem.
In my next class, I will improve. That's it. I will set some more points to add.
Yeah. Jui,
Sir, I want to ask one
yeah.
question, sir.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the difference between the drawer and drawee? I'm really confused.
Drawer means, in the case of a check, a person who is writing a check is known as drawer.
Okay.
The bank on which it has been drawn is known as drawee.
Okay.
And
drawee is the bank.
But drawee is the bank. The person in whose favor the check has been issued is known as payee. Hello, drawer, drawee, payee. Drawer, drawee, payee. Drawee is all.
Payee is the one who is withdrawing the money.
Payee is the person in whose name the check has been issued. If I want, let me try to see whether I can get an image of full written check, whether I can get it on the screen. Written check is not sent. Yeah. Are you seeing this on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
See, actually, the name of the bank will be here. You will put the date, then you will write pay to the order of. That person's name is known as payee. Then here it is given dollar, it will be in rupees for us. And it will be, you will be writing in figures, and you will also write in words. Then you will sign it here. You will sign it here. And in our banks, checkbooks and all, you will have at the bottom like this. That is MICR image. MICR image, 9 digits. 9-digit image will be there. You take your checkbook and see. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. That's right. Now, any other doubts you are having now? Any other questions? Yes, please.
Sir, so as inflation rate has decreased, it is now 4.7%. So under which section, like, so we can tell this news under economic section?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
when anybody asks you to, in the interview, they ask current affair, you can always say the inflation rate for the month of April has come down to 4.7%.
Yes, sir.
From, it was, what was the previous one?
5.4 something.
5.66, na? Something like that. Please check up what is that. From there, was it 5.3 or 5? I think, well, it was 5.4.
Yes,
Please
sir.
get to know that also. Good. That will be better. Good. Very nice. Now, only newspaper we should be reading always, and current things we should know. Adani, Hindenburg, mostly they will not ask such tough questions to you. Now, one more question on Federal Bank based on glossary, because I wanted you to read. What is money laundering? Money laundering, Valarmati Juhi.
Converting black money into white money.
Sir, so it is a criminal
Legal
act.
money into legal one.
Yes. Sir, it is a criminal act by which they try to hide their illegal source of income by legal means.
Correct. That is converting black money into white money.
Right.
Very good. Very good. That's right. Nice. Can you now, can you explain something on non-resident accounts? Non-resident accounts. Yes, please. Non-resident accounts. Are you there online?
Yes, sir.
Non-resident, you must go through about non-resident. Who is a non-resident? A person who is staying abroad for gainful employment or for studies for a period of, say, more than 180 days in a calendar year is considered as a non-resident. So please get to know that by going through the website of our Federal Bank, or otherwise the notes given to you, Aparchit note materials given to you. Okay.
Sir, in the starting of the lecture, you were talking about 50 questions. It was from a Parichet document only?
Which 50 questions?
So you said like probably they will ask from that 50 questions. I joined after that. I think that part didn't get recorded also.
No. Actually, see, your questions, you can always depend on what I have given you. A 2022 interview questions that is given in the folder. There cannot be a new question apart from that, excepting the current affair related. For example, the new question, if at all they want to ask, they can ask, what is the storyline of Kerala story? Something like that. Then what are your hobbies? Then why should we select you? This routine question they can ask in different ways.
So one more thing, if the storyline, like what if my thoughts are not matched with theirs? Like
no, you are going to speak out the fact of story as given, as you have read in today, we read in Times of India. Na?
Sir, they won't ask about my opinion about this story.
Sometimes they may tease you by asking your views. You maintain a neutral stand. You maintain a neutral stand. I have no fixed views on this.
Okay, sir.
I have no fixed views on this. Whether it should be banned or not banned is that I have no view on this. And I think it has come already in Facebook. Facebook free, full length has been played freely. I hope you are aware of that. It is being screened freely. You can see it. Anybody can see it. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Tomorrow being Sunday, I will give holiday for you because I don't know about my programs. Because today I have to go for yoga. Tomorrow, what are the things allowed for me? I have to go in. I don't know. If at all I get time, I will announce in the Telegram page or WhatsApp page. What for group discussion, I will tell in WhatsApp page. For this, I will tell in Telegram, paid Telegram group. Then if I announce, I will give you time, at least 1 or 2 hours time. And if the time is suitable, you can join. You see, look, today I gave them people time. Yesterday, 1 day full time, still only 3 of you could come for the interview today. Anyhow, thank you so much. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.